Did you know that on average, home buyers view 8 to 10 houses before making a final decision?
Well, we can save you all that time right here at 49B Flaxdale Street in Birkdale. Set back up the road and tucked away on a peaceful cul-de-sac.
This impressive 2007 built home offers practicality, privacy and nature.
Surrounded by native trees and bird life, it's your own elevated sanctuary.
Featuring open plan living flowing seamlessly to an outdoor deck, this property has great sized bedrooms, heaps of off-street parking and the bonus of a rumpus room.
You're close to Veron's Corner, schools, bus routes and reserves, making this location an easy choice, so make sure you come and check it out as soon as you can.